Hi, Eric Galabitsky here with a Zero Doubt Club. Every one of our friends and currently Jeremy's clients and our clients always ask, what are you guys eating? What is a proper meal or not? This is what I've been eating for the last few months, and it's helped me lose weight. You know, the biggest objection to having a transformation is putting the time in for gym and eating and whatever else. But man, how much time prepping and cooking and eating keto is just so simple. I'm gonna prep 5 salads. So I like Cobb salad with blue cheese and so on. So I'm gonna prep 5 salads and show you how fast it is. All this is really quick. I'm gonna show you how I like things. Not saying that there are 100 recipes online. This is just what I like to eat and what I do. So, organic spring mix. I've laid out 5 containers, so just a handful of some organic greens. Earlier this morning, took about 10 minutes while I was checking internet and reading news to boil some hard-boiled eggs. So again, those are quick. You just let the water boil with eggs in it and then turn it off, let them sit for 10 minutes, and then put them in cold water. I don't even cut them up. I just throw them into the salad. So just like the spring mix, I cut them up, I eat them. Same with guac, right? So I buy the ready-made guac. If you're gonna pre-prepare 5 salads, guac goes bad, right? It turns brown and stuff pretty quickly in a day or 2. So keeping them in the container, throwing them into the salad, now you've got your super healthy fats in your salad. I like onions. So just chop up some onions. I get it that some of this stuff is pre-prepped. Some onions in each salad, not too much, especially if you're gonna have business meetings during the day. I like green pepper in my salads. We're gonna cook those up. A couple pieces. Again, healthy-wise, you could eat as much salad as you want, right? So if you are still coming down from excessive eating into a diet, make a huge salad, and then you'll start portioning that as well. What's cool about these pre-prepped salads is I have organic chicken that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna have tuna salad that I'm gonna make. I have crab salad that I'm gonna make. So a scoop of either of the salads or that grilled chicken and you're good to go. So it's not the same necessarily salad every day. You can have tuna salad on top of the salad, crab salad on top of the salad, and grilled chicken. Then cucumbers. So I like cucumbers. I'm gonna put some of these very large cucumbers into the salads. Maybe 3 or 4 of these large pieces. What are we? 2 minutes in? Again, cucumbers, green peppers. Eat as much as you want. Eat as much as keeps you from eating pizza. So some broccoli. So I'm gonna add some broccoli. So a couple of these big things per salad. Man, we are 4 minutes in and we have 5 awesome salads. I like blue cheese. Some don't like it. I do. But again, I don't put dressing on because these may sit in the refrigerator for 4 or 5 days. So I don't put dressing on. Here's one more little thing that my wife, Inga, as some of you know her, has taught me. So put some full almonds in a bag. I like some nuts on the salad too, and just beat them down in a plastic bag. So some crushed almonds on the salad is great. And again, it's some healthy fat. So, or you can buy some crushed almonds. I just snack on them as well sometimes. Okay, that's done. Now we season it. I like to put a little bit of cumin on the salad too. Again, some like it, some don't, but I like to season stuff just to make it taste really good. Paprika. Just a little bit on each. Man, better than a restaurant. That's all I gotta say. I think it's better than a restaurant. Pepper. So again, the hard-boiled egg is in there. The avocado's in there. Everything's in there. Everything I want on a salad. Oh, and again, cheese. Cheese is good. Again, I don't put too much. You don't want to eat too much cheese, but just a little bit. And that's it. So I don't know how long we are in the video, but 5 salads, very healthy, very keto friendly, very great for weight loss, are done. So 5 salads that look amazing. Hard-boiled egg, avocado, all the seasonings, all the veggies. Great little salad. And again, we talked about adding the protein, which is either tuna salad I like to add, crab salad, or some grilled organic chicken and adding some spices on that. So those are the 5 salads.